In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get promo code for Sendwave 2025, step by step. If you're new to Sendwave or you just want to make the most of your first transfer, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find a promo code and how to apply it correctly so you don't miss out on the bonus. I'll keep things simple and explain what to look for on screen, plus a few tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so the promo code option appears where it should. If you haven't opened the app in a while, a quick update from your app store can save you time later. Inside the app, look for the menu icon or your profile picture. On most phones, the menu is in the top left or top right corner, and your profile photo or initials might appear in the upper area of the home screen. Tap that to open your account options. In the menu, find and tap promo code or enter promo code. The wording can vary slightly by device or app version, but it will clearly reference promo or referral codes. This is where you'll enter the code before your first transfer. To get a promo code, the easiest and most reliable method is to ask a friend who already uses Sendwave. Existing users have a referral code they can share with you, and it's designed for new customers. Often, both the new user and the referrer benefit, but the exact bonus can change by region and time. You can also keep an eye on Sendwave's official social media pages and their email newsletters. They occasionally share limited time codes there. Stick to official channels to avoid expired or misleading codes. If it looks too good to be true or comes from an unknown source, it probably won't work. Once you have a code, copy it exactly and paste it into the promo code field in the app. Watch out for extra spaces or characters, and remember that some codes can be case sensitive. Tap apply to activate the code before you make your first transfer. Most promotions only work for new users and must be applied in advance, so if you've already sent money, the app may tell you you're ineligible. After you complete your first transaction, your bonus will be added automatically. Processing times can vary, but you'll typically see the reward soon after the transfer clears. If you don't see it, review the promo terms in the app and confirm the code wasn't expired or restricted in your country. That's all you need to get and use a Sendwave promo code in 2025. Follow these steps, double check the code before you send, and enjoy your bonus.